Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Mont-Tremblant Resort is one of Quebec's most famous destinations. This place is known for its outdoor activities, vibrant village life, and stunning mountain views. Mont-Tremblant Resort is nestled at the base of Mount Tremblant, one of the highest peaks in the Laurentians. The resort is surrounded by forests and overlooks stunning lakes, making it a favorite for visitors year-round. The resort first opened in 1939 and was one of the earliest ski resorts in North America. Over the years, it has grown into a world-class destination for both winter and summer activities. Its pedestrian village was designed to blend with the mountain's natural beauty, while offering everything a visitor could need. In the winter, Mont-Tremblant Resort is a hub for skiing and snowboarding. With over 100 trails and a mix of terrain, it's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Snowshoeing, ice skating, and even dog sledding are popular activities here. When the snow melts, Mont-Tremblant Resort transforms into a summer paradise. The gondola ride to the summit offers incredible views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. You can hike, bike, or play a round of golf on one of the resort's picturesque courses. Nearby Lake Tremblant is ideal for swimming, kayaking, or simply relaxing by the water. The pedestrian village is a highlight of Mont-Tremblant Resort. Its cobblestone streets are lined with colorful buildings that house shops, restaurants, and cafes. There's always something happening here, from live music to seasonal festivals. Thanks for joining us as we explore Mont-Tremblant Resort. Whether you're here for adventure, relaxation, or family fun, this place has something for everyone.
you.